Welcome back, and in today's video I'll be guiding you through the process on how you can change the recording quality of your screen recordings on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. So start by opening settings, and in settings you want to scroll and select advanced features. From here, tap on screenshots and screen recordings. Then you should see the option under screen recordings, video quality. So you want to tap on video quality, and you have three options. You have high, which is 1080, medium 720, and low, which is 480. So it's up to you to decide which option you prefer. So if you want to switch to medium, you can tap on the 720 option, and now your screen recordings will be in 720 pixels. But if you want to change to 1080, you can just tap on 1080. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.